So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Nafiz here and I am back here with another tutorial video of my Python series. In this lecture we'll learn about some basic built-in function in Python which are so important for mathematical calculation. So first of all, if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon for my future video notifications. So let's get straight to Python. We'll create a new Python file. I will name it math functions. So what are the math functions? So let me write something here. Say suppose we have two numbers. One is 22 and the other one is 55. So we want to find the minimum of these two numbers, so we can simply use min function. So this min function will return as the minimum of 22 and 55. So we will store this in our result variable. So now our result variable is storing the minimum of these two numbers. If we print our result here and run this in our console, we can see 22 because the minimum of 22 and 52 is 22. Say suppose we want CLT. Now we want the maximum. Now we want the maximum of 22 and 68. And if we print in the result in our console, we can see 68 because the maximum is 68. 22 is the minimum one. And there is another built-in function. Say suppose we want the absolute number of something. We want to find the absolute number of something. Say suppose we have 5 minus 9. So the answer will be -4, but we want the absolute value of the answer, so we can use abs function here. This will return as result. This will return as the absolute value of this. Control V. Let me run this. So we can see in our console we have only 4. The answer of 5 minus 9 is -4, but we are printing the absolute abs, printing the absolute value of -4 is 4. We can also use a round function here. So let's say suppose we have a 3.2 here, so we want to find the round values. So we can use round function here, and this will return the round of 3.5. This will return the round of 3.2. So this will be 3 because 3 is closest to 3.2. So if I make this 8 and use the round function here, this will give us 4 because the closest to 3.8 is 4. Round function. We can also use sail function here. Sail. So what this sail do is it converts, so suppose we have 3.5 here. Sail function here. So suppose we have 3.5 and we use result is equal to sail, but we are getting an error right now, but we didn't get any error before this because we are using all the functions from a library function of Python, which is math. So we need to import that math module to our Python file. So what can we do here? We will go to the up and write from math import. We will say asterisk. So this asterisk means we are importing all the functions from math. So now we can see there is no error in our sail function, and we can print the sail function. So we can see 7 here because sail, which means the ceiling, it will give us the ceiling of the number. So 6.5, the sail is 7. If we use here 2, this will also give us 7 because the sail is 7. We can also use another one which is called floor. which is called floor. Say suppose we have 5.9 here and we want to write the answer. So if you run this, we'll see here 5 because the floor value of 5.9 is 5 and the ceiling value, the upper value of 6.2 is 7. So we can use ceiling and floor. For this we also can do a square root square root of, suppose we have 49, and if we run this, we'll see in our console 7.0 because the square root of 49 is 7.0, and we can see the answer is in float because a square root is maximum time it will be of floating point number. So suppose if we give it 48, and if we run this, we'll see 6 point something here. So this is the square root of 48. We can also do power here, power, power. So we can use this power function to do calculation like 2 to the power x to the power y. So x to the power y, so we can say 2 comma 2 and print this. We'll see 4, I think. Yes, we have 4 here. So 2 to the power 2 is 4. If we say 2 to the power 3, if we run this, we'll see 8 to the power 3 is 8. So we can use power function to do x to the power y type of operation. So these are some basic math functions, built-in function from Python. So before using this kind of function, we have to import the math library function. At the top we'll write on math import asterisk. That means we are importing all the functions from math. We can specifically target some function that we can import, but we have written asterisk because we are importing all the functions. I hope you understand what are the math functions. In Google, if you do Google search, you will find a lot of other functions of math. You can learn them there, but I think these are the enough for beginner because you will be needing this in our project. So in my future project, I will show you some use of this function. So till then, take care. Bye bye.